Hey everyone, how are you? My name is Dave. I'm your host. Today we're going to show you how to prep and cook a New York strip. So I have here a New York strip that I butterflied already. I opened it up, butterflied it. I already dried it. What I'm going to do is take a little bit of avocado oil, sprinkle it on here, rub it in on this side. I have here the AP blend of salt, pepper, onion powder, and garlic powder. It's a simple thing. Just like that. Flip her over. Same thing on this side. Rub a little bit of that oil on there. Sprinkle the seasoning on there. And it's a good piece of steak there. It's a good big piece of steak, so you can be a little bit liberal with it. Like that. Now I have here a onion. I'm going to douse a little bit of that avocado oil. A little seasoning on there. Alright. And we're going to cook these first. We're going to put them down in the grill. One that way. And one that way. Then we're going to take the steak. And we're going to put it right over the middle there. And let that sear up nice. I also got a baked potato in there also. About 5 minutes into this already. And I just want to take a quick peek at it. See how it's looking? Delicious. I'm going to turn it this way. Get some nice grill marks on there. Alright, so our New York strip steak is done. Look at that. Nice and juicy. Perfect color. Caramelized onions. So good. Nice and soft and caramelized. Just so good. But yeah. That's a nice steak. This peels right apart. Oh, that salt and pepper. So good. Well, there you have it. How to prep and cook a New York strip steak. Thank you for watching. God bless. Take care. Until next time, happy eats.